Hello again. Once you have signed up for AdSense, you need to add AdSense codes to your blog. The AdSense team will review your application again after the first review process, which will take about a week. After adding the codes, you will be reviewed again and your account will be activated with an AdSense pin that will be sent to you. All of this takes approximately 1 to 2 months, depending upon your geographical location. For me, it took me only 2 weeks. Once everything is set up, in order to get paid from AdSense, you need to complete 2 further steps. Submit your tax information if you are in a country where that has an agreement with Google, and enter your PIN. This is, as you can see in this picture, this is the payment page. They won't pay you. They will hold your payment. As you can see, your payments are on hold until you submit your tax information and enter your PIN. You must click here and submit your information. Then after you receive the PIN via mail, you must click here and enter the PIN that you just received. You will need to submit a tax form specific to how you are conducting business, for certification of non-US activities, and for Indian AdSense publishers. You can fill in this tax form. This tax form will appear for you, and you just need to enter no, then continue, since you are not a US citizen. Regarding AdSense PIN, you will receive an AdSense PIN by mail once you reach the threshold of $10. So after placing your ads code on your website or blogger, or using your YouTube channel, and after you break down the $10 threshold, you will receive a PIN number via mail. You need to add the PIN to your AdSense account. You will start receiving payments once your AdSense account reaches the $100 threshold, or 70 euro if you are using the euro currency. So this is it for the AdSense tax information and PIN number. You have to fill these informations after you receive the approval from the first review process. In the next lesson, I'll talk about some guidelines that your website must have before getting accepted to AdSense, or before applying to AdSense. Thanks for watching. This is Moneymakers team.